Hey there, want to act Revolut 18 in 2025 and not sure where to start? No worries. Here's a simple step-by-step guide just for you. Step 1. Download the Revolut app. Go to the App Store or Google Play and search for Revolut. Download and install the app. Step 2. Start the registration process. Open the app and tap Get Started. You'll be asked to enter your phone number and verify it with a code. Step 3. Select the right account. Since this is for Revolut 18, make sure to choose the option designed for users aged 13 to 17. This ensures you'll get the teen-friendly version with parental controls. Step 4. Fill in your personal details. Enter your full name, date of birth, home address, and email. You may also need to submit a photo of your ID for verification. Step 5. Link to a parent or guardian. Your parent or legal guardian must approve your account. They'll receive a notification and must complete their side of the verification. Step 6. Wait for approval. Once everything is verified, your Revolut 18 account will be active. You'll get a virtual card right away, and you can order a physical card too. Tip: make sure your parent already has a Revolut account. That makes the approval process much faster. And that's it. You're now ready to use Revolut 18 in 2025. If this helped you, give it a like and subscribe for more step-by-step guides.